When your pooch leaves a calling card in your backyard, it's more than just a mess to avoid stepping in.
It's becoming an environmental hazard. Tonight, CBS 11 debuts a new series, E-Life, Living on Our Earth. And as CBS 11's Bud Gillette reports, cleaning up after Fido can make the drinking water cleaner for all of us.
Dew, scat, droppings, poop, whatever you call it, Garland officials say Fido's business is everyone's business when it comes to water.
There are 1.2 million pets approximately in the DFW Metroplex, and they expel about 900,000 pounds of waste each day. That's equivalent to about 56 dump trucks, and that can end up in our drinking water supply, which of course is creeks and lakes in the area.
Garland and 6 other cities are trying to get the word out. Dog waste needs to be picked up and put in the trash or toilet.
It's not rocket science, just basic good sense.
It's beyond being an eyesore or an environmental issue. If this dog is diseased, it could affect your pet's health.
Droppings from sick pets can contain hookworms or roundworms, which in extreme cases can be passed on to people. Waste can also contain the parvovirus, a debilitating disease that attacks a dog's lower GI tract and can be deadly.
Nobody looks at a puppy and kitten and thinks, oh, I'm going to set out to hurt this dog today, but they just don't realize that by indirect action you can hurt them as well.
Garland joins a growing number of cities that offer biodegradable throwaway pet mitts. And residents who pledge to pick up the poop are entitled to a hands-free bag carrier to assist them. It's a small start.
You can't exactly say that one dog is going to be a problem, but if you look at the herd of dogs that are in Dallas and the herd of people, then you have everything that's exponentially increased.
A solution that must come one day at a time, one pup at a time. Bud Gillette, CBS 11 News.
And for more on how to help save the environment and your water supply, you can log on to CBS11TV.com and click on the E-Life icon.
Very excited about this new project, E-Life.
Yeah,
All a part of life's rich pageant, isn't it?
That is.
Yeah, so is a lot of rain out there in the area right now.
Wow,